Here's how you can add clickable links to Canva. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any document type, such as an A4 document, or open an existing design. Next, add the text you want to make clickable. Click the text box and highlight the specific word or phrase you want to link. Or if you want the whole text box, select it. Once the text is selected, right-click it or click the three dots icon and look for the link option in the menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. Then enter or paste the URL you want people to visit. For example, you could paste a YouTube link. After entering the URL, press Enter or select Done to apply the link. The selected text will now contain a clickable hyperlink. Keep in mind that links are most useful when you export or share your Canva design in a format that supports hyperlinks, such as a PDF. If you're downloading the design as an image, the link won't remain clickable. That's all for this video. Thanks.